Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Cloud Computing for AI. Leveraging cloud resources. Scaling your AI. Imagine a giant, shared computer room in the sky. That's the cloud. Instead of buying and maintaining your own powerful computers, you rent power and storage from companies like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. For AI, this is super important because AI models need huge amounts of computing power. Building your own AI supercomputer is expensive and complicated. The cloud lets you quickly access powerful processors and tons of storage, only paying for what you use, like renting an apartment instead of buying a house. Think of your AI model as a tiny plant. As it grows, learns more data, it needs more space and resources. The cloud lets you easily increase these resources, adding more sunshine and water. Computing power, as your AI needs it, without any physical limitations. VMs are like having your own little, isolated computer in the cloud. You can install software, run your AI code, and train your models all within this virtual environment, without affecting other users. It's like having a dedicated lab for your experiments. GPUs, graphics processing units, are like specialized workers built for AI. They excel at complex calculations, much faster than regular CPUs. The cloud makes accessing powerful GPUs easy and affordable, significantly speeding up your model training. Different cloud providers offer various services and pricing. Consider your needs, budget, specific AI services, etc., to select the best fit. It's like choosing the right apartment. Some are bigger, some have better amenities, and some fit your budget better. Cloud computing can be expensive if not managed properly. Learn to monitor your resource usage. Use spot instances, cheaper, but potentially interrupted, and choose the right instance types to optimize costs. It's like being mindful of your energy consumption at home, turning off lights and using energy-efficient appliances. Once your model is trained, you can deploy it to the cloud, making it accessible to users via web services or mobile apps. Think of this as opening your lab to the public, so people can use the results of your experiments. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.